Sa Pilipinas, napili pagdiwang ni American Idol runner-up Jessica Sanchez ang kanyang New Year. At ngayong 2014, plano daw ng film singer na mas tutukan ang kanyang musical career. Ang Starbites sa ni Kata Tibayan.
Walang pagsidlan ang tuwa ni American Idol runner-up Jessica Sanchez nang gawaran ng kanyang sariling star sa Eastwood City Walk of Fame.
I just saw this for the first time, so thank you so much. It's amazing. Thank you.
Katabi ng star ni Jessica ang kay pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao. First time ni Jessica na mag-New Year sa Pilipinas. Mas masarap daw ipagdiwang ang New Year kasama mga mahal sa buhay. Kasama ni Jessica umuwi sa Pilipinas ang kanyang lola, mommy at iba pang kaanak.
Watch a lightning to strike me once again. It's gonna be like dancing the whole time. I want to make sure it's fun for like the brand new year.
Para sa Phil-Am singer, magandang simula ng unang araw ng 2014 nang nagtatrabaho para raw tuloy-tuloy din ang pasok ng biyaya at projects. Kahit nag-enjoy daw siya sa acting stint sa TV series na Glee, mas gusto raw ni Jessica na mas mag-focus sa kanyang musika.
I just want to put more creativity into it, so I want to write a lot more. I want to make sure that it's 100% authentic and for me, and it's, you know, just Jessica. I definitely want to, you know, collaborate with like Eminem. I love him.
Wow. Pangako ni Jessica sa mga Pilipino, makakaasa raw sila na tuloy pa rin ang suporta niya sa mga Typhoon Yolanda survivors.
And you guys have to go get it because like it's for a good cause and you know, just anything helps. Okay. Oh, won't you lead me home to you?
Kata Tibayan, GMA News.